Welcome to this demo of a powerful employee leave management spreadsheet that helps you track leave requests, monitor paid time off usage, and make informed workforce decisions. Whether you're an HR administrator, a business owner, or a team manager, this tool will help you manage employee absences with clarity, identify patterns in leave behavior, and keep your organization properly staffed throughout the year. Let's get started with the foundation of the tool, the Settings tab. This is where you configure holidays, define weekend non-working days, and set annual leave caps based on your organization's policies. Use this table to enter your company holidays. Next, you'll set up the different versions of weekly non-working days used across your organization. Some employees might be off on Saturday and Sunday, others might have a midweek rest day, and some may follow alternative schedules. All of that is fully customizable here. The spreadsheet will automatically filter them out when calculating leave balances, ensuring employees are never charged leave for holidays or their designated non-working days. And lastly, you'll define your leave type caps, such as sick leave, vacation, personal leave, and others. Give each type a short name or even an emoji that can display neatly in the calendar. Then set the annual cap for each leave type, according to your company policy. Create different versions of these caps based on an employee's position, as managers or entry-level staff might have higher or lower leave entitlements than entry-level employees. Having these versions ready in the Settings tab makes filling out the employee table much faster. You just select the correct version from the drop-down for each employee, and the system will automatically apply the right non-working days and leave caps. Now let's move to the Data Entry tab. This is where you add employees, assign their work schedules, and enter their leave requests. Start by giving each employee a unique ID. This helps avoid confusion if two people happen to have the same name. Next, enter their name, their employment start date, and their last day of work. Leave that blank if they're still with the company. Then fill in the annual paid time off hours they're entitled to. After that, use the drop-down to assign the appropriate version of weekly non-working days that applies to this employee. And use the other drop-down to assign the correct version of the annual leave caps. The last three columns can be customized to categorize each employee for sorting purposes. Currently, the defaults for these columns are set to Manager and Department. Now let's take a look at the Leave Request table. This is where all the leave requests are recorded and tracked. Select the employee using their UID, the type of leave, whether it's sick, vacation, or other reason, and the start and end dates. Enter the number of hours this worker normally works per day, and check the box to confirm if paid time off should be applied for this leave request. Use the drop-down cell to update the status of this request. Unless the status is approved, the Employee Lookup tab and Monthly Attendance tab will ignore the entered request. At the top of this tab, you'll see a set of charts and graphs that instantly show you all leave requests that start on, or are still ongoing, on the date you select. You'll be able to see how many people are away that day, who they are, and what type of leave they're taking. You'll also get a quick breakdown of leave patterns by department or any other grouping category you've created, along with graphs showing approval versus denial counts. It's a fast, visual way to understand exactly what's happening with leave on that specific date. Now let's jump over to the Employee Lookup dashboard. This area is designed to give you a complete annual view of an individual time off activity. By selecting an UID and entering the year you want to review, the spreadsheet automatically loads all of the employee leave information. Beneath that, you'll find a detailed annual calendar that marks each day this worker taken off, along with the corresponding hours and reason. The calendar also includes color coding to distinguish holidays, standard weekends, and customized weekly days off. To the left of the calendar, a set of monthly charts breaks down the employee's paid time off usage, their worked days, and their days of absence. Moving back to the top, you'll see the employee's annual leave cap, how much leave they've used, and what they have remaining. You can also review their paid time off balances. Below it are graphs showing leave count by weekday, highlighting which days of the week an employee is most frequently absent. As well as leave types were used throughout the year displayed in three helpful ways. Days and hours, so you can see the actual length of time taken. Number of requests, giving you a sense of how frequently each type of leave is being requested. And a balance chart to show the remaining leave available for each type, helping you track how much time off employees have left. Every detail enters the system through the Data Entry tab, and the dashboard transforms it into clean, meaningful insights. Next, we move to the Monthly Attendance tab, which provides a calendar-style view of all employees for any month of the year. Simply enter the year, select the month, and choose how you'd like the calendar sorted, such as by manager, department, or any custom grouping you created earlier. As the calendar populates, a check mark appears for days an employee worked, and X marks days they did not work, and color markings indicate weekends or holidays based on each employee's personalized schedule. This section marks any non-absent date as worked, updating automatically based on just the leave data you entered earlier, giving you a concise overview of workforce coverage for any month you choose without having to manually track attendance each day. Back to the top of the tab, a graph displays the total leave taken for each type, grouped by month, giving you a clear view of overall leave trends throughout the year. There is also a weekday leave count chart summarizes the detailed calendar below, showing which weekdays employees are most frequently absent in the selected month and year. Every part of this spreadsheet is designed to help you understand patterns, track historical absences, and ensure leave policies are applied consistently. By centralizing employee data, leave requests, paid time off tracking, and attendance patterns, it helps identify potential misuse or policy violations. This visibility allows you to make informed decisions about leave approvals, scheduling, and overall workforce planning, giving you greater control and confidence in managing your team. I hope this tool helps you streamline your planning, optimize workloads, and achieve smoother operational flow across your organization.